Hey guys, I just wanted to show you real quick what it looks like when you sign into the Citizen Athlete app through your computer. So to get here, you would go to citizenathlete.vitabot.com. See if it. Yes, good. You'll go to this page, and if you already have access to the app, you would simply go to existing account down here. You can see my information saved, but it's the same information you created when you signed up, and you'll be taken to this page. On this page, you can access any recipes that you put in. I highly suggest you get about 10 recipes that you like, that are very easy to make for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, whatever, and add them to it so you can quickly add those every time you track. You can add your favorite foods, which will allow the meal planner and allow the tracking app to bring up foods that are most likely going to be beneficial for you. Just click in the upper right hand corner to go home. You can look at meal plans if you just want to follow a specific meal plan that they created. You can add anything that you like or take out anything that you dislike. You can even set specific calories if for whatever reason I tell you your calories should be different from what they tell you. And you got different options down here. Click home. And yeah, then you can track your weight and water and stuff like that. Learning Center has tutorials on how to do all of this, along with the video tutorials button right here. You probably won't have this. This is for me. And then from here, if you like the online version more, if you want to message me, if you click the Get an App, you can get to this page, and you can either send a link to download it to your phone or just use it like you would on your phone right here. So that is how you would use that, how you would message me, all that kind of good stuff. Activity. No, I didn't record my workout today, so I'm a terrible person. But yeah, this is where you're at. This is it. I just wanted to let you know that you can do that, and let me know any questions that you guys might have.